Hi, my name is Sunny Park, and this is my Computer Science 110 fourth project. For this project, we were made to make this pattern over here. So I did this by making 4 different turtles. I made one Bob, one Lily, Billy, and Belle. So Bob creates the rectangle first, and then Lily creates the X. And Billy puts the X and the rectangle together, and Belle puts the rectangle and X and makes a loop for it. So basically for Belle, the turtle Belle, I put together Bob and Lily's rectangle and X's and just created a for loop for the whole thing. We were made to make the pattern like this. So like the width and height would inverse each other like every other pattern. I did this just by doing it manually instead of automating it because I felt like it would just be simpler that way. So yeah, instead of just making like a loop for each individual one and maybe toggling it in and out, I just did it like whenever, or the pattern would make 2 rectangles at the same time and then loop again for 2 different rectangles. So for example, this part is the rectangle on its side, so the width and height are like this, and then this part is the X, and then when I'm creating the rectangle standing up, I just inverse the H and W's so that, you know, it would just stand up. And yeah, that's how I created my pattern. I can run it right now, see if it works. So that part was Bob, this part is Lily, and Billy, this part's Belle. And so yeah, that's basically it for me. I don't know if I explained it good enough, but I tried my best. So thank you.